So I'm Dr. Richard Sanford. I lecture on the environmental science and the environmental management and sustainability courses here at Plymouth University. And some of the concepts that we try and get across, yes, we do have issues in the world, we do have problems in the world, but we have the understanding of the science, and we like to push forward with solution-driven teaching, so the practical solutions to go out and help our students make a real difference in the world. Part of that will be their first year field trip over at Slapton Field Centre. This is one of the first chances for many of them to do a substantial amount of field work, and that will involve a particularly sustainable science concept. So we look at Sharpham House, we do an overview there of renewable energy, so their use of biomass boilers, solar PV, but it's also about reconnecting to nature, because many of us in the 21st century have become divorced from nature. So we also do some wild food foraging over there as well. And we also have another day where we're looking at aquatic invertebrates, so it's their ecological identification skills and their use of carbon in that particular mode in the watercourses at Slapton Nature Reserve. And we also have a third day over there where we're looking at the use of trees as carbon storage, so tracking the carbon storage potential of trees, because they are a great mitigator of climate change. It's not only about the science. Slapton Field Trip is also about integrating staff and students, and for students to get to know themselves and others on the course. What emerges from the course and from the particularly Slapton Field Trip, I would think, is the initiation of that we are sending our students out there with some real solutions and some real understanding to the environmental issues in the world, some practical skills to go and make a difference as we are all working to save the planet.
What I enjoyed about the Slapton trip was the lack of pressure there was to be extra serious. The purpose of it was for us to forge friendships, relationships, get acquainted with everyone, including our professors who would even come out on the night outs to talk to us. It was really a really nice environment to really understand that they're being true. You can really call them by their first name and talk to them like regular people.
It was very different, unlike anything I ever experienced previous. Definitely. And it was good that it was the first thing that we got to do. I got to create some good friendships there. There are people that I shared a room with that I'm still friends with now. And just being able to see right in front of you exactly what we did in the lab sessions before was exciting for me personally, because it had that science side of things.
The main thing that I enjoyed about the Slapton field trip was getting to spend time with everybody. Canoeing, hiking,
That was nice.
Sleeping in the same room. We shared the room at Slapton.
Oh yeah, you were in my room, I just remember.
We shared the room at Slapton.
So I just come to Plymouth as a city because I heard the environment is quite good. I just do environmental science as a course because I know the rate at which the climate change is happening. It's going at rates too fast and no one's really doing anything about it, so I thought I would be the best person to start the change, initiate the change.
From what I've seen so far, all the teachers and all the professors are really enthusiastic and nice, and they really get to know you, and the course offers a lot of outdoors and a lot of field coursework and field trips.